Hello and welcome to another update video about INJ, Injective protocol. So far, the relevant bullish support levels did hold. Yeah, the relevant support levels for further upside that were communicated. Like here, we had an orange support range, which was never broken to the downside. So the focus had to remain further to the upside, and then it was short term so bullish it didn't even retrace into the yellow support area. Here last time you communicated $6.17 bullish support. The idea could be now that this B wave is already over. The idea was that next key resistance is here at $10. That's the level that was reached. Now, I don't really have a very clear Elliott wave count here on the lower time frame. I would keep the support levels as relevant on the chart because I haven't got enough price information to say that here the C wave has certainly started. Shouldn't say certainly, but we can get some clarity. But I would want to see a sustained break above that $10 level to have an indication that we are really in the C wave of the third wave. Remember, we're tracking here a larger diagonal structure. I've got here on this chart a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3, which would also be an ABC structure, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. This can subdivide in various ways on lower time frames, but for now I keep the $6.17 level as relevant bullish support. In the short term, I mean, micro support is clear, which is the last swing low. This is a bit of a support cluster here, around $7.85. You can see all these previous swing lows here. They will be relevant. As long as we're holding these, yeah, this 785 level, price should be able to push higher. But it's obviously just below the $10 resistance level. So this will be a major breakout point. We take a look at why in a minute. Well, now. So we zoom out a bit. Here you can see that. Can you see this massive accumulation phase? Some people might call it a cup and handle pattern. Maybe, but I don't like this. But nevertheless, you have a nice accumulation phase. Yeah, looking at the bigger picture. And then you handle here maybe, right? 2021. 2021, I remember that, July, a lot of coins broke out of patterns like these to the upside. And they completely escalated. Now, I don't want to hype people here, but this is a pattern I recognize from 2021. Lots of coins, similar structures, moved up to breakout points, and they just went. Okay, they just went, and we had, next resistance would then be around 1480, and here $25. This is just a very clear breakout point level. So I'm very much focused here on the upside because we did hold the relevant bullish support levels, and we are at a relevant breakout point, which is the $10 level. This is psychological resistance. So I always try to make you aware of breakout points and breakouts before they can occur. Not everybody's a pullback trader. Some people like to trade breakouts, and breakouts out of horizontal resistances like these in crypto, my experience, they can be very successful. Not really what I like to trade, but there, it is just what it is. They can lead to massive fakeouts as well. That's exactly why I don't like them. But no doubt, this is now at a key level here. So support I indicated, and against that support level, price can push higher. I don't think this channel is necessarily too relevant anymore, so we can take that out. But maybe we can find something else. But it doesn't really, maybe. We've got a bit of an ascending triangle here. Because it can take a while until this breakout happens, right? So the problem is we don't really have a micro Elliott wave count here on this chart because it's too unreliable. It moves in corrective structures. That doesn't mean it's bearish, it just means it's less certain. Therefore, we can use other methods like structural patterns like these, trend lines, or horizontal resistances, right? And just purely by looking at the trend. All right, that's my update about INJ. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.